We are the Forget family, and we had NEWPRO come out and redo our roof for us. Our roof was 28 years old, and we wanted to be proactive. We saw great ads on TV from NEWPRO. You all looked inviting and friendly and knowledgeable.
The consultation was amazing. He gave us a really neat 3D imaging of what our house would look like. Seeing that imaging of our home was a game changer for us because we were able to really see what the product would look like on our home, and he was able to kind of pivot it from an aerial view and from a front and rear area. It was pretty amazing.
Installation day was amazing. The crew was awesome. They were so polite, so clean, kind, non-intrusive. They just did a great job. They were quick. Believe it or not, they did our roof in one day. They were amazing.
We had to replace 18 different boards, and there were other matters that needed to be done around our chimney and fascia areas as well, and the team took care of it. They're so punctual with what they're getting done and very thorough in cleaning in the end too.
The before and after is so dramatic. Our house is gorgeous now. We have peace of mind to be able to sleep that we will never have a problem. However, they assured us if we do, you are only a phone call away, but it is gorgeous. It is wonderful to have partnered with a company that's been around for 80 years, that is local to Massachusetts. I'm not calling some 1-800 number in Texas that doesn't know who we are. And it was just refreshing to have somebody local offering a phenomenal warranty and having such great craftsmanship and an awesome team. It's a peace of mind, and it looks gorgeous.